Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to block dangerous downloads in Opera GX on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Opera GX includes built-in protection that helps block malicious websites and unsafe file downloads. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX browser and then click on the menu icon in the top left corner. And in the drop down menu, select Settings. Under Settings, click on this one triple line menu, and in the drop down menu, select Privacy and Security. After that, click on Security. Here you will find an option that says Protect Me from Malicious Sites. Just turn this one toggle on. That's it. Now Opera GX will automatically warn you or block dangerous and suspicious downloads before they can harm your system. This helps protect your computer from malware and unsafe files. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.